श्रीरामचंद्रनके जय मंगलो नल दिव्यमुख चंद्रनके शुभ मंगलो श्रीरामचंद्रनके जय मंगलो नल दिव्यमुख चंद्रनके शुभ मंगलो माराभिरामनके मन परंदामनके माराभिरामनके मन परंदामनके तीरारे नामनके रविकुल सोमनके तीरारे नामनके रविकुल सोमनके श्रीरामचंद्रनके जय मंगलो नल दिव्यमुख चंद्रनके शुभ मंगलो मणिवायनके मायनके मंगलो कोदंड कैयनके मैयनके मंगलो कोवै मणिवायनके मायनके मंगलो कोदंड कैयनके मैयनके मंगलो काव गुणशीलनके कतिय विलासनके काव गुणशीलनके अखिय विलासनके देवरनुकूलनके दशरथन बालनके देवरनुकूलनके दशरथन बालनके श्रीरामचंद्रनके जय मंगलो नल दिव्यमुख चंद्रनके शुभ मंगलो शुभ मंगलो शुभ मंगलो வாழிய செந்தமிழ் வாழ்கன தமிழர் வாழிய செந்தமிழ் வாழ்கன தமிழர் வாழிய பாரத மணி திருநாடு வாழிய பாரத மணி திருநாடு இன்றமை வருத்தும் இன்னல்கள் மாய தன்மை வந்தீடுக தீடெல்லாம் நலிக அறம் வளர்த்திடுக மரம் அடி உருக சிறிய முயற்சிகள் சிறந்து மிக்கோங்குக வந்தே மாதரம் வந்தே மாதரம் வந்தே மாதரம் வந்தே மாதரம் வந்தே மாதரம் வந்தே மாதரம்
Did you guys enjoy the dance so far? Was it good? Yes? Okay. I think we are concluding right now, and it is my privilege to express my thanks to many that have played a huge role in making this event a grand success. I would like to start first and foremost by thanking God for His blessings and His guidance. Next, our most sincere thanks go to our sweet girls gurus, Srimati Vinita Subramanian and Srimati Gayatri Iyer. And thank you very much, teachers, for your dedication and pursuit of perfection. It's because of your relentless guidance and encouragement the girls were able to perform at this level today. Thanks to our chief guest, Ms. Pavitra Ramadas, for her gracious presence and providing support to all three of our little stars on the stage. My most sincere thanks go to all the three moms. Are they here? Moms, for their tenacity and thirst for perfection. Their dedication to make this engagement happen is unmatched by none. The hard work and long hours they spend to get the daughters ready is very much appreciated. Don't know if the dads could have done this at all without you. Thank you, moms. A special thanks go to the lovely daughters. They juggle with their schoolwork and the long, arduous task of preparing for this special occasion was amazing to watch. They deserve a special applause.
Hi, I'm Ilango, Nithila's dad. I would like to thank our orchestra members today. I think they did a fabulous job, and so I wanted to thank them individually. The majestic voice of our vocalist, Mr. Sheshadri Natarajan, it was really great to hear him. And thank you so much, Mr. Balaji Narasimhan, for his lively and rhythmic mridangam beats. It was a pleasure to... Okay. And Mr. Anand Nadayogi on the violin. Thank you very much for the melodious music. Thanks to Mr. Ratan Kumar on the veena. He really enhanced the performance with his beautiful harmonies. And we cannot thank you enough for patiently working with the girls and encouraging them at each step of the way. For being patient through the endless rehearsals. It really made a big difference in their confidence and their performance. Thank you very much.
This is Kannan, Srishti's dad. Our heartfelt thanks go to Mrs. Radhika and Mrs. Sri, who enhanced the girl's beauty 100-fold with their makeup skills. The girl looks divine in the homage to Lord Shiva. Our sincere thanks goes to MCs Archita Kumar and Vaishnavi Lakshmanan for their wonderful coordination and mastery of the events. Aren't they fabulous? Thanks to all the wonderful support team for their excellent work to make this event look and sound beautiful. Mrs. Kanaga Sadasivam for lighting. Mrs. Tuji Ramasamy for stage management. Mr. Hamand Bakwatala for sound. Mr. Axel B for photography. Mr. Joe Misra for video coverage. A huge thank you to all the volunteers without whom none of this would have been happened. They put in a tremendous effort to make sure everything goes smoothly and looks effortless. They undoubtedly made this event a huge success. We would like to thank you, Naveen and Suganya, who has been part of our family from day one on this journey along with us. We would like to thank Vijay Dhanajayan, Jodi and Uma, Ram and Priya, Aparna Sivakumar for their thoughtful suggestion in many aspects. And we would like to thank you, Ram and Sailaja Kosuru, Selva, Hari Srinivasan, Sarana Bhavan and Sarmila, Manu and Priya, Raj and Maladi, Sauri and Jayanti, Vasant, Sudhagar, Veera, Sanjeev, Bala, Ramesh, Divagar, Abhinav. They are the volunteers who have been helping for a long time and helping still is going on. Thanks to our caterer, Kumar Mess, for providing excellent food. You will like it, you will enjoy it, definitely. And thanks to Sri Rama Printers India for making our brochure look so rich and colorful. Thank you for all being such a wonderful audience. Thanks to the teachers, families, friends, and well-wishers who are all here to support and cheer the girls and motivate them to do their best. It's your love, goodwill, and guidance that will help the girls carry forward in their journey to a fulfilled life. Have a good evening, and thanks for attending. And a couple of housekeeping, whatever things. Like after the girls' speech, we will be serving dinner. There are two options in a dinner, like who are all hurry to go out, then you can have to-go boxes, it's already ready, some of them. And who want to sit and relax and enjoy, there is option too. So either way, whichever your preference, you can handle it, whichever way you want. And in addition, and especially the girls' friends, Nitila, Srishti, Asti's friends, don't forget to sign the guest book which is in front. Flesh it out, whatever you can, maximize. It will be the memory for them, to carry forward. Thank you for attending, thank you for enjoying, and thank you for taking care of us. Thank you. Now the girls want to thank you and they want to say a few words.
Good question. Hi, everybody. Thanks for coming to our engagement. It's a very special day. So first, we'd like to thank God for making this whole thing possible, and
we'd also like to thank our teachers for making this possible as well.
And we'd like to thank our parents whose enthusiasm helped us get this far in our journey.
And we'd like to thank the orchestra for sticking with us the whole time and motivating us. And even if we messed up, they were there to support us. And we'd like to thank Sindhura for stage management.
And we'd like to thank everybody that was there backstage with us the whole time, with support, with moral support and everything.
Thank you so much for coming.
And I'd like to say thank you to Nithala and Shrishti for making this possible also. I wouldn't have been able to do it without them, and they've become my best friends throughout this experience.
Because of this Arangetram, we've all become closer as friends, and I know that they'll always be here for me.
I'm really grateful to perform this Arangetram with Asti and Shrishti.
Enjoy the rest of your evening and the rest of spring break.
And dude, that's it. Dude, don't say anything else.
That's it.
Okay, if you want to.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, thank you for all of our relatives that were here today with us, that came from India and everything. And all the aunties and uncles. Oh, dinner is served.
It was very nice, and the girls are awesome job. They did very good job, and everything went very well. Congratulations to all three girls, Nithila, Asti, and Srishti. All three girls did awesome job. Congratulations, great job. We enjoyed a lot. Fun, more fun.
All the three girls did awesome today. We enjoyed the show. We enjoyed the food. What did dance? Yeah, it was an awesome program. Food was yummy. Love you, Srishti, Nithila, and Asti. You did a great job. Srishti, Nithila, and Asti did a great performance today. எல்லாருமே ரொம்ப நல்லா பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணாங்க. நல்ல கோஆர்டினேஷன் இருந்தது. Great job, guys. It was an awesome performance. I like the expressions here. Yeah, it was a wonderful show. The girls did an awesome job. Everything was beautifully coordinated and organized. From the start till the end, we had a great time.
Hi, my name is Kirtikant. I am uncle for Nithila. I have been closely associated with the dance for the past 5 years because my daughter did the same thing last year. And this is the first time I'm seeing a triplet dancing on the stage. And when the tripletters are dancing, it's very, very difficult to have the balance. It is very difficult to coordinate. But what I see was really wonderful and awesome. I congratulate Nithila and I wish her she should continue her throughout her life and wish her all the best. Thank you.